Are you looking for an exfoliating toner that truly works? Meet the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% Exfoliating Toner, a powerful yet gentle solution for smoother, brighter skin. Formulated with 7% glycolic acid, AHA, this toner effectively removes dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, radiant complexion. With consistent use, it helps even out skin tone, refine texture, and boost natural glow in just a few weeks. Perfect for those experienced in chemical exfoliation, this toner is designed to enhance skin clarity and smoothness while maintaining a healthy skin barrier. If you struggle with dullness, rough texture, or uneven skin tone, this is your go-to solution. Ready to level up your skincare routine? Get yours today and experience the transformation. Click the link below to shop now. Your journey to glowing skin starts here. Find the product link in the description.